In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Webflow for the year 2024. This full tutorial will walk you through each step in a clear and concise manner, making it easy for you to follow along. So let's dive right into it and get started with connecting these two powerful platforms. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the official HubSpot website. You can simply head over to hubspot.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, familiarize yourself with the home page because it holds all the access points you will need for this integration. Next, look for the login option located on the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you will need to enter your credentials. Remember, it's essential to use your administrator details here to ensure you have the necessary permissions to make integrations. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's main dashboard. You'll notice a variety of tools at your disposal, but for this integration, direct your attention to the marketplace icon. This icon generally looks like a grid or a group of squares and represents where you can find apps and technologies to enhance your HubSpot experience. Click on the marketplace icon and then proceed to select the option labeled Apps from the menu. This section is where you can explore all the applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. You'll see a search bar that allows you to type in the specific application you are looking to integrate with. Now, in the search bar, type the word Webflow. Don't worry if it takes a moment, the system is querying all available apps to find you the best match. Once the results populate, you should see Webflow appear on the list. Click on Webflow to learn more about the app and how it interfaces with HubSpot. Scrolling through the details might provide you with an overview and some specifics about the Webflow app, but our main objective is to install it. Look towards the right side of the screen or simply scan for a button that says Install App. By clicking on the Install App button, you'll start the installation process. Follow any additional prompts that guide you through connecting your HubSpot account with your Webflow account. These will typically involve logging into your Webflow account and allowing access between the two platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Webflow, bringing together two essential tools to streamline your business operations. Be sure to explore the new capabilities available to you now that these applications are integrated. Thank you for joining me today and happy connecting.